Hi, hello everyone. Today we are going to discussing locators in Selenium. Okay, this is locators backbone of Selenium. Without knowing the Selenium locators, we can't do anything Selenium. So, if you want to learn, you can learn very deeply in locators. Selenium you can handle very easily. Okay, 70% of 80% of Selenium you can handle very easily. Without knowing the locators, you can't do anything. So you need to learn deep. So I can explain each and every locator, what is the use of every locator, how to use properly. I can explain step by step. So what is the locators? Locators identify an address that identifies the web element uniquely. See, locators identify the web element uniquely on the web page. Now here we use locators to access HTML element from a page. We can use locators to perform actions, text field, checkbox, links, radio button. These all these things in web elements. Text field is one web element, checkbox, links, radio button, drop down. These things are all web elements. We need to find the locators. So types of locators: ID on locator, name, class name, linked list, partial link text, tag name, XPath, CSS selector. All these things are locators. Locators type is 8 type: ID, class name, tag name, link text, partial link text, XPath, CSS selectors. Okay, this is the 8. Now locators in Selenium essential automate the software testing because they let automation communicating with the element. Using the locators, we can communicate to the web element. This is one web element. For example, this is the text page. We need to communicate this text field using the locators only. Otherwise, you cannot communicate this web element. Text field is one web element. So here, see, in DOM structure like this only: tag name, attribute value. Okay, attribute value. Tag name like ID is sometimes ID will be there, button will be there, div is be, span, p, a, image, some etc. is there. Tag name. Remember tag name. Tag name starts with every tag with these things only. Tag name. Attribute value, ID or name or CSS, class name or style or type, title, placeholder, anything will be present there. See here example, input, 1 minute. Input is a tag name, starts with input is there, starts with type email, class input, class is this is the attribute value, name, class name, ID is attribute. Remember these things and all: attribute value, class name, ID, attribute. This is the tag name. Using this one, we can find the locators. Web element locator we can find out. So now first one is ID. What is the ID? In locators, first one is I am taking ID. 1 minute, I will go back again. First one, what is the first one? ID. ID I am going to take right now. So going to take ID. What is the ID? Locators elements whose ID attribute matches the such value. Okay, the ID should be unique. In the HTML tag, ID should be unique. We will not have two more. Okay, unique means one is there. To all elements, consider the quickest and safest and find the element. For finding the element, ID quickest and safe, and we can find the using the ID. See, this is the ID. This is the attribute. This is the attribute value. Name also attribute, attribute value. Class is the attribute, attribute value. This is the tag name. Okay, see how to write the using the ID, how to find the element. See, driver.findElement. Find element, you can find the single element. Already I explained previous class what is the find element. By is the class, ID. See, small letter ID, ID. ID attribute. ID is the attribute. Attribute value is, this is the value. Okay, so sendKeys. What is the sendKeys? I will explain right now. sendKeys means, sendKeys in Selenium. sendKeys a method used to send keyword input such characters. Suppose if you want to pass inside text field any characters. This is the one text field, for example. Wait a minute. This is the one web page. Inside any, this is the one text field. You need to pass the value inside characters using the sendKeys. Using the sendKeys. This method used to sendKeys input such a characters, numbers, symbols, text box inside the applications. So multiple sendKeys also we can send. We can send multiple sendKeys also. Now we can go to the practically, then we can clear understand. Okay. Now what is the sendKeys? How to write the sendKeys? Okay. What is the ID? What is the locator first ID? Then I can explain clearly right now. See, this is the Eclipse ID. In this Eclipse ID, demo AR logic is a package. Now I am going to create a one class, demo locators ID. First one is ID. Okay. Now I am going to take this one. Now web driver manager dot Chrome driver dot setup. I already explained this step. What is the step? Web driver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, I am using the Chrome driver, so I am using here Chrome driver instance. New Chrome driver. If you are using the Firefox, if you are using any other browser, you can use that particular driver, specified driver. This is done, this step. Now second step is driver dot get load the new web page current browser. I am going to load. I can use to Facebook. Now here I can use to Facebook. Okay, done. Driver dot get method. Here is get method. Fine. Now driver dot I need to find the this web element. This is the one web element. This is one web element. This is total web page. Email address or phone number, this is web element. In this web element, I need to find the locators. See, right click here, inspect element. Suppose I need to pass the value inside. I need to pass the value inside. So first of all, we need to find out the particular whatever requirement web element locators. So see here, right click and go to DOM structure. In this DOM structure, see input close tag. Input is the, what is input? Tag name. After that, ID is there. First scenario, what is our scenario? ID. Control F. If you are press the Control F, you will get this one. Okay, console. Okay, now here is ID. Directly you can write it. We don't want to search this one. Later class we need to go there, search this one. Okay, not right now, not required. So we can go there. driver.findElement. Okay, find element, single element only. By is the class dot. See, all the locators is coming. Class name, CSS selector, ID, link, name, partial text, XPath, all the locators. Our requirement is ID. Okay, ID. ID is the attribute for searching. So I can click this one within the double quotation. Then I need to pass the, where is the website? Then I need to pass inside email address or anything, phone number. I need to pass the email address or phone number. What is the, how to pass inside? How to pass inside? Already I explained to you. How to pass? sendKeys. This method used to send keyboard input search as characters or numbers and symbols or text box inside. Symbols also we can pass. Character also we can pass. Number also we can pass. Okay, inside text box and application. Inside text box application we can pass the values using the sendKey method. Okay, sendKey method. Okay, sequence of characters we can pass, number or anything. Now dot sendKey, see, character sequence we can pass it. Now I can here john@gmail.com. Okay, now if I run this one, what will happen? Check it here. See, pass the value john@gmail.com. Okay, pass the value. Have you observed what is the sendKeys? What is the, how to use of find element? What is the use of ID? Okay, now same way I need to clear. Okay, I pass the value. Okay, fine. I don't want to this one, John, I don't want. I need to clear this one. How to clear this text field? Inside, this is web element. In this text field, I need to clear this John. How to clear it? Okay, now we can quit this one. Okay, so if you want to clear, we have a method is there. See, clear method, web element clear methods. This is all web elements. Clear method used to erase the text area. Clear the text area. So now this is a one Facebook page. Inside Facebook page already I write something blah blah. I need to clear this one. I write the okay fine. I don't want to this one. I need to clear this one. Now that one, you need to clear for this one using the clear method. This method used to clear or erase the text inside the text box. Okay, so now I can use the clear method. So I can go there again. Eclipse ID driver.findElement, not required right now. We don't want to write this one. Say before web element element equal to, now need to import the web element. Now in this area dot sendKeys, it will not return. So cut it, paste it here. It will not return sendKeys. So we are okay to the object. So now here element dot clear. Okay, now it's clear. So web element, this is for the all the data will be stored in the web element. In this web element or reference object, in this web element we can pass the value to using the sendKeys. In this sendKeys, after passing the sendKeys, then same reference object will be clear using the clear method. Okay, now I can run this one. See, clear. Suppose if you are not write this one, if you run this one, see John is there. Now if you are using the clear, see in 1 bit of second it's coming and erased. Okay, this is the two method using the ID. Okay, thank you for watching video. Next one is we can discuss with the next ID. What is the next one? ID. Next one is name. Okay, thank you for watching video.